Hello, this is Shri from MCAL Global. In less than 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you top IT skills in demand in 2018. Number 5, Python. Python is a programming language that lets you work with data quickly and integrate systems more effectively. It's open source and free to use. Career opportunities available after knowing this technology are software engineer, data scientist, data analyst. Number 4, business analysis. Business analysis skills are necessary in each project to ensure that the software we build is the software that users and stakeholders really need. BA tools, techniques, requirement models, and standard documentation formats need to be learned and applied to achieve successful outcomes in traditional waterfall as well as modern agile methodology-based projects. Globally popular certifications like IIBAs, ECBA, CCBA, and CBAP are becoming a must-have to showcase BA skills. Career opportunities, business analyst role in waterfall or agile teams, product owner, product manager. Number 3, Apache Spark. It's designed for large-scale data processing, enables lightning-fast cluster computing. It's open source and free to use. Career opportunities available are data engineer, data engineering manager, data scientist, data analyst. Number 2, DevOps. DevOps is a software engineering culture that aims at unifying software development and software operations. Speed is everything. Teams that practice DevOps innovate faster. Tools like Docker, Jenkins, SonarQube, Ansible, GitHub, Maven, Nexus, Jira, etc. enable DevOps. Career opportunities available are DevOps engineer, DevOps technical lead, DevOps automation engineer. Number 1, machine learning. Machine learning is getting computers to act without explicitly programming it. It is giving us autonomous cars, speech image recognition, effective web search, specialized chatbots, healthcare, and much more. Career opportunities available are machine learning data scientist, data analyst. This video was brought to you by MCAL Global, leaders in live online training, making complex topics easy. You can visit our website at mcalglobal.com. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with latest and greatest. Leave your comments below to get in touch with us.